happy Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year.
Or as we folks like to say it,
What?
Happy Christmas and Merry New Year.
Woo.
Hey guys, I'm Haley,
I'm Lexi.
and we're back at you with another episode of DIY Gift Challenge. If you are here,
It's
Okay.
part 2.
this is part 2.
So
So
if
if
you-
you haven't watched the first one,
Go watch it now or you won't know what's happening.
yeah,
Maybe.
so this time we're making DIYs, and
And at the end we will have the reveal of the cards and things and presents that we got each other.
so
Stay tuned for that.
let's get on with the video.
So I decided to make Lexi a sugar scrub because it was easy and there were no essential oils in it because you replace that with coconut oil in this. So yeah, there's like all of this stuff, you know, coconut oil, brown sugar. Yeah, I'll put the recipe I used like in a link below. I don't know. Sigh. Okay, yeah. So just check that out. I'll probably have a link below if I remember. But yeah, it was a pretty good recipe, you know, sugar scrubs and putting all that stuff in. And that was my vanilla. And I don't know what I did, but I looked mad for some reason. So yeah. Okay, and now I'm mixing because yeah, that's what you do. Mixing is pretty great. And yeah, and so I'm mixing and it's kind of hard to mix because there's coconut oil in it. And oh look, now I have everything in a jar. Whoa, so cute, I guess. And I'm about to wrap it. And I'd say I did pretty good on the packaging, you know. And yeah, so, oh yeah, look at those angles. Okay, now for the wrapping part. It's a time lapse, yeah, okay. So yeah, cutting that up, putting it on. I'm actually surprised by how good the wrapping turned out, so. Yeah, and there we go. And then here's my kazoo, and I just decorated it for Lexi because, yeah, so, yeah. Don't end up like Brad.
This is the first thing, and it took me a long time to pick this out because I wasn't sure if she wanted a phone case, but like the one she has, it's kind of just, I don't know, it's just very plain, I guess, and I don't know, I hope she likes it. And then of course I got these adorable, amazing stickers because, yeah, they are pretty great if I do say so myself. So we'll see what happens. So for this DIY, I didn't know that we were making these. I thought that the Christmas cards was it, but then I found out that we were doing this. So I had like 5 minutes to think about it. So I chose Phil because he has made it into our YouTube channel. He is a rainbow zebra pencil who is pretty epic, but we lost him, so I thought it'd be funny to make like an official memorial funeral picture thing. And this is the final product, so I don't know, I think it's funny.
So
Hello.
we decided to put hats on because it would make us look more festive. We have our presents laid out here, and we're gonna do this in 3 seconds. And we're gonna take this up in a few seconds, but really we're just gonna need to be unwrapping them to see the full effect of the presents.
Yeah.
I say we start with the cards,
then we'll do,
and then the DIY,
and then finally,
the actual gift.
yes, where we went
So ready?
to, where we bought it. Yeah, okay.
3, 2,
2, 1.
Whoa, so
Oh,
surprising.
that's so cool.
Did I get it?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I forgot that you
so
haven't
cool.
seen my stuff. Okay. Cards.
All right.
Oh, I like the little Santa hat. Is that white out?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's so cool.
3, 2, 1.
Oh wait, I meant. Oh. Hold on. Okay. That's so cool.
I love the Merry Christmas with the gel pen. Why am I wearing a bikini during winter? No one knows. because I'm going to Puerto Rico. Boom.
Las Vegas, OJ, Phil. That's so funny.
Hope you have a wonderful year. Merry Christmas. I don't know what that is, but that is so pretty. What the heck?
I kind of stole it from that.
Okay. Like, it looks so cool.
Merry New Year. Happy Christmas, guys.
From Lexi. Wait, okay, look at the back. Haley, Lexi, and Phil Incorporated.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
Okay. On to the DIY.
I love that card. It's amazing.
Here is my DIY for you.
Here is my DIY. Just letting you know I only had...
Yeah, no, I don't really care.
5
Ready,
minutes.
set, go. I see Phil. Oh my gosh, wait, that's so cute.
Snickerdoodle. Or what?
Snickerdoodle.
Snickerdoodle. Cookie sugar scrub. Instructions. Scrub on body when showering for moisturizing skin.
That sounds right. And that's the recipe, just in case
Oh,
you want to
that's
make
so
more
cool.
of it. Okay, I'm glad you like it, because I wasn't sure if you were, like, into, like, skincare and stuff, and I was like, it doesn't cost me anything, because I can just use stuff at my house, and it's also cute.
And, yeah.
Rip Phil, 2018 to 2019. You're in my loving memory. Pickled potato fish 2019. Bah. I love it. I'm going to put it somewhere where...
I don't know. I thought you could hang it up or stick it somewhere. I don't know.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
This is my final gift. It has 2 parts. You probably know what one of the parts is already.
Okay, and you have to, like... I, like, went on, like...
It's fun.
Yeah.
Okay, open that one first, because...
Okay, I can tell what this
we
is.
can all tell what it is. Show the camera.
They probably can't really tell, but my guess
I
is...
don't know where mine is.
Da-da-da-da.
A kazoo.
Oh my gosh.
And I painted it.
That's so pretty.
Okay, it says Brad, and then down here it says Phil.
It says...
Smash my laptop and brand new machete. I don't think I spelled machete right.
That's so great.
But happy little mistakes.
Wait, how do you do...
I know, I did the same thing when... Okay, you go... Do, 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 do. You don't, like, actually blow. You actually make a noise.
What?
You go... Do, do, do.
Dude. Stupid.
You know what? We'll come back to that in a minute.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
I'm just gonna set that here.
Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1. These are our final presents.
Yeah, I got you 2 things.
A remote.
What? Is this Mariah Elizabeth? Oh my god.
And.
That is so cool.
I got his matching books.
Oh my gosh.
And look, I put a kazoo on mine and I put Phil, but I left yours blank so you could
so
decorate
hot.
it. Okay, let me open mine because
So, okay. Oh yeah, I taped it there.
I'm so excited to have this remote.
So, I kind of put one thing, and you kind of already have one, but it's like, yeah, I don't know. So, if you don't want to use it, though, you don't have to.
Okay.
It's totally fine. Because you never really, like, said you wanted one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
Okay.
gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I love it.
And there's that. It's like stickers, like that can go on like
Stickers.
Hydro Flask or
Is that-
anything. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
I just stuck that in there because
Tissue paper.
I didn't want you to
I want to look at the
shake
stickers.
it.
I want to look at the stickers. I want to look at the stickers. I want to look at the stickers. I love stickers. He has a donut, and a diamond, and a panda. But the potato, though.
The potato is really hot.
I'm going to draw a bikini on it because he deserves one.
He totally does.
Okay, let's go.
Hello.
I hope you guys enjoyed this
Goodbye.
video. maybe this helped you getting gifts for your friends. You never know.
Who knows?
Yeah, and so like and comment down below.
And share with your friends and family because I'm sure they would love to watch this video.
Subscribe and turn on post notifications to join the
Hashtag Help Us Squad.
And we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.